Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pratim. Friends, today in this video I am going to share with you that how you can prepare aloe vera gel with gelatin at home. Now, step by step. Now, we will show this preparation step by step. Now, friends, you may ask that why there is a need to prepare aloe vera gel when you can get it in the market, or if you can plant it in your home. Now, friends, because of the multiple benefits you can derive from aloe vera. Now, if you prepare aloe vera gel at home and store in a refrigerator, mind you, it can be stored for several days. You can use it as and when necessary. You can get ready-made aloe vera gel. Now, what are the benefits of aloe vera? Now, aloe vera is very effective for hair and skin. It makes your hair grow. It stops hair fall. It is rich in minerals and vitamins and enzymes. Now, these minerals and enzymes, they penetrate into the hair cuticles and promote hair growth. Now, the antimicrobial properties of aloe vera helps in removing dandruff. It cleanses the scalp and removes dandruff, and in other way, it stops hair fall and thus promotes hair growth. Now, friends, aloe vera is also called a burnt plant because aloe vera can be used in healing first and second degree burns. It can also reduce severe sunburns. Now, aloe vera has antimicrobial properties that can fight acne. If you have an acne and pimple prone skin, you can use aloe vera to remove those. And another benefit, a very important benefit of aloe vera is that you can use it for all types of skin. Even if you have a sensitive skin, you can use aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is a very good moisturizer. Now, it takes care of your skin and it's a secret of a moisturized skin. Now, what it does is it makes your skin soft, smooth and supple. You can use it as an aftershave moisturizer also. Again, aloe vera is very good to remove dark circles around eyes. Then again, you can depuff bags around the eyes, just these bags. These bags can be depuffed by using aloe vera. So friends, as you can see that aloe vera has multiple benefits. Again, friends, about gelatin. Now, many of you think that gelatin is very harmful for skin or hair, but I say it's not. It's the other way around. It is very good for your hair and skin. It improves the appearance of your skin and hair. It prevents aging of your skin and tones up your skin. So friends, this combination of aloe vera gel and gelatin is very good and you should prepare and keep it at home. So let's move on and see that how we can prepare this gel step by step. Now friends, to make this aloe vera gel, we have taken a few aloe vera leaves. Now first, after plucking out the leaves, you have to keep it for about 2 to 3 hours because yellow type juice comes out which is a bit poisonous. So after leaving it for about 2 to 3 hours, you have to thoroughly wash the leaves. Now after 2 to 3 hours, what you have to do is you have to cut the end portion. This is the portion from where the yellow juice comes out. You have to cut off the ends of the leaf. Now you have to take out the gel out of the leaves. Now friends, if you don't have an aloe vera plant in your house, you can buy it from the market. It doesn't cost much. Now this way you slice out the gel out of the leaves. You may use a spoon or a fork or a knife, anything you want that is suitable for you. This way you have to slice out the gel from the leaves. Now friends, we have collected the aloe vera gel from the leaves. Now we will put it in the mixer grinder and make the juice. Now friends, we have made the aloe juice. Now we will filter it using a strainer. Take a fresh bowl and a strainer and filter the juice. Now friends, take a fresh bowl and add to it 1/4 of normal water and then sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder to it and slowly stir it. Slowly stir the gelatin powder into the normal water. Now friends, go on stirring because otherwise lumps may form into it. Now you have to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the gelatins expand, and this is called the blooming period. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now friends, the blooming period is over. As you can see, the gelatin has expanded. Now friends, add to this 1.5 or more cup of warm water. Please remember that you should not add boiling water, and that may ruin the gelatin. You have to only add warm water and then whisk briskly and thoroughly so that the gelatin does not get into lumps. Whisk it very thoroughly. Now add to this the aloe vera juice and again thoroughly whisk it. Now add to it about 4 vitamin E capsules. Now we are adding to it 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Now friends, you can add any essential oil like tea tree oil, like lavender oil or lemongrass oil. Now this will make this gel very rich in vitamins. Now friends, put it to rest until it cools down. Now transfer it to any container of your choice, and then you have to cool it down and put it into a refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. Now friends, we have taken this preparation out of our refrigerator after 5 hours, and you can see it has solidified. Now one thing you can see that it is neither very thick nor very thin. The structure of this gel should be like this. Now you can store it and use it as and when required for days. You can store it for many days. I think you have understood the steps that are required to make this preparation of aloe vera gel with gelatin at home. Thank you for watching my videos and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.